Chattín go Glasgow City an an 2024. Tá cúis na córdach le Natalia Wróbel éca clubba ach cúteach a bhaile fhèin.
I think first season was kind of challenge, like for me, new place, new people around me, but I'm really enjoying to being here, being in the new city. I like to do other stuff out of the football, explore the museums here, parks, nice area around me. Kind of our routine in the days off. We like to test new places in Glasgow, grab a coffee or bakery, and I enjoy the days off. My favorite place, I think it's next to me, the Queen's Park. I like to chill there after the practice or in my days off. Glasgow is a club with great history. I'm really enjoying being here with the players. Everyone try to help each other. I always dream about it as a younger to one day become as a professional football player. Now I can came to the club every morning and enjoying this life, which is great because no one has this opportunity and I work so hard to be here. It's so important for me to be in the good group of great people around me, the players, the staff, the people who are working every day for us to set the highest standards and level. It's part of football to have a life also out of a football in good relation. Then we can see the standards on the field when we have good connection out of the field. My best friend is Linda Montalo, my flatmate. We have great connection, probably we are two different persons, but the connection between each other, it's amazing. People are laughing about us because they know we are two different personality. She's really quiet, I'm really loud, but we work so well and we are best friends here. I think Abby is a person who jokes a lot. Sometimes she needs to explain to me the jokes, but yeah, we have really good atmosphere right now and we all like to jokes and make fun of each other in the good way.
City, I
think my best moment was hat-trick against Rangers. That was an amazing game for me, also for the team.
City,
it was really hype moment for me. If I would say I know I scored 3 goals and it was a great game, but I don't remember every detail from the game. It's just general best game for me last season. I think I always try to do my best for the team, and I know when I perform my best level, it's gonna help the team to also lift the standard higher. It's always good to also represent my national team, but first of all I want to do my best with Glasgow and then we'll see. Every person here brings our own story and our own strength. I think we are a great team. We train hard every day in the club to be better as a team, develop every day in different areas. Our aims for the season, it's always the champions. We also want to bounce back for the cup final. We know we are good enough to get those cups, and we will work for it.